Brian here. Welcome back to Korean Ladder, the show where one rung at a time, Korean starts to click.
And I'm Alice, still a beginner, still making mistakes, and honestly, still a little nervous about bowing wrong.
안녕하세요, 하나예요. I'm your Korean teacher today, and we'll make bowing feel easy.
안녕하세요. 저는 준호예요. 준호 here. By the end, you'll bow with confidence.
Okay, real talk. In Korean dramas, everyone is bowing, and I never know how deep to go. Do I bend in half? Just nod? I freeze.
Same. And the bigger question, when I meet a group, who do I greet first? I just wave at whoever's closest.
These are the right questions. In Korea, the bow is everyday body language. It shows respect, and how deep you go depends on who you're greeting.
There are basically 3 levels. A small nod, a normal bow, and a deep bow. Today we focus on the first 2, the ones you'll use every day.
목례. 목례는 가벼운 목인사예요. In English, 목례 is a slight nod of the head for people you pass often or someone your age.
보통 인사. This is the standard bow, about a 15 to 30 degree bend from the waist. You'll use this with most adults and elders.
So the nod is for my friends and the real bow is for older people. Got it. But what do I actually say while I bow?
좋아요. You say 안녕하세요 while you bow. 안녕하세요 means hello in a polite way. It already shows respect.
And for elders, you can go warmer, 안녕하세요, with a gentle bow and keep your eyes down a little, not staring straight into their eyes.
Wait, so looking down isn't rude? Back home, eye contact means you're being sincere.
맞아요. In Korea, softening your eyes and lowering your head shows you respect the other person. Hard eye contact with an elder can feel like a challenge.
Now the second big question. Who first? The rule is simple. 어른께 먼저 인사해요. You greet the eldest or highest person first.
께 is the polite version of 에게, to. 어른께 means to the elder, said respectfully. 먼저 means first.
So if I walk into my friend's home and her grandmother is there, grandma gets the greeting before my friend.
정확해요. Grandmother first with a proper bow and 안녕하세요. Then your friend gets a casual nod. Order shows you understand, respect.
Let's hear it in action. Listen to a short greeting when someone visits a home and meets an elder. 안녕하세요. 처음 뵙겠습니다.
어서 오세요. 반가워요. 처음 뵙겠습니다 is a very polite, nice to meet you for a first meeting with an elder, said with a deeper bow than usual.
처음 뵙겠습니다. That's a mouthful. Can we slow it down?
천천히 따라해보세요. 처음 뵙겠습니다. Try it slowly with me.
처음 뵙겠습니다.
좋아요. 제시음 부분을 조금 더 부드럽게. The kiss part can be a touch softer. 뵙겠습니다.
Let me try the simple one. 안녕하세요.
완벽해요. 안녕하세요 is the one you'll use 90% of the time. Keep it warm and bow as you say it.
Here's where I'd mess up. I'd walk in, see my friend, give him a big hey, and totally skip the grandmother in the corner.
그게 흔한 실수예요. That's the common mistake. The fix is one habit. Scan the room for the eldest first. Bow. Say 안녕하세요. Then greet everyone else.
Another mistake, a limp half bow while walking away. Stop, face the person, then bow. A bow in motion can look careless.
Okay, quiz me. I want to know if this actually stuck.
I'm going with B. Grandmother first with a proper 안녕하세요 and a bow, then the friend.
정답은 P예요. The answer is B. You greet the highest ranking person first, the grandmother, with a real bow and 안녕하세요, then turn to your friend.
A는 왜 안 될까요? Option. A nod at grandma like a peer that under-respects her. The elder deserves the fuller greeting, not the slight nod.
Let's lock in the core. Hana and I will recap the 4 things to remember in Korean and English.
하나. 어른께 먼저 인사해요. Number 1. Greet the eldest person first, before your friends.
2. 보통 인사는 허리를 살짝 숙여요. Number 2. The normal bow is a gentle bend from the waist, around 15 to 30 degrees.
셋. 목례는 또래에게. Number 3. Save the slight nod for people your own age.
넷. 눈을 살짝 내리는 게 예의예요. Number 4. Softly lowering your eyes as you bow is polite, not cold.
That's so much clearer. Eldest first, gentle bow, soft eyes. I think I can actually walk into a room now.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. Remember just this one sentence. 어른께 먼저 인사해요. Greet the elder first. That one habit covers most of it.
다음 단계에서는 식사 예절을 배워요. Next time, we climb to table manners, how to sit, pour, and start eating with elders.
That's our rung for today. I'm Brian.
I'm Alice. Go bow to someone today, eldest first.
안녕히 가세요. 오늘도 한 칸 올라갔어요. You climbed one more rung today.
안녕히 계세요. 다음 단계에서 또 만나요. See you on the next rung.